Alright, we are in the beach club looking for our room.
Okay, that's what?
This way. Go this way.
One building.
Carpet's cool. Look, there's a hidden Mickey.
Where? Oh, there he
Right
is.
there. There's another one and another one.
Where's the other? There's another one.
Yeah, step on him.
I'm sorry, Mickey. It's nice knowing you, though.
It's a nice little courtyard area here.
26 what? I mean, 25.
$25.96.
Right here.
Yeah, right in front of the garbage. All right, go ahead and open the door.
If I can get to it.
$25.96. Oh, I'm hungry.
That's not good.
Oh, that's for the... All right, go ahead and put your stuff down and go fix that. Oh, precious Mickey and Minnie on the beach. Love this picture. Flying kite.
Where? Oh, there they are. Is that Donald on the kite?
Possibly. I will come back and show you this. But I have a ton of stuff in my hands right now. Oh.
There.
All right. Excuse me for
I hope it's
carrying it all in while I'm doing this.
It won't stick.
Oh, this is great.
The car's broken.
So we can call him and fix it.
Stay.
Got all the higher end deluxe resort items for the H2O products. You can use mouthwash. Faith loves the aloe cooling gel.
I literally use it.
Yes, I know you use
And
it.
I'm at home.
And the bathroom. Very cute. Oh, I love the tile job in here. Beautiful.
I found somewhere to put shoes.
Big tub. Big size tub. You can actually take a bath in here. Some more products in here to use. And, oh, it's a Mickey shower curtain.
No, it
Oh,
is.
yes, it is.
It's
There's
upside,
an upside down Mickey.
There's a real one right there.
Hold on, I found one right. Right there. Right there. Finger. There we are. Right there. Mickey. Very cute. Nice beachy colors for the
Yeah.
wallpaper and the paint. Nice closet
There's a
space.
safe. Right there.
Yep, got a safe on the wall in here. Let's put a luggage on and all that. We've got extra blankets. Let's see in here. I didn't get to do this beforehand. It's our little fridge. I don't think it's working. So I'll have to figure that one out. Okay. Off to the bedroom. Nice little place to put. Oh, she's already got shoes there. And you can just sit there, I guess, and relax. Nice queen size beds.
Someone could sleep here if
Nice
they
little
wanted.
Mickey towels on the bed for us.
There's no
It's
fan.
just very. Ooh. Okay, we'll live. It's very beachy feeling in here. They even have little accents on the cabinets. Got a couch.
It pulls out into a bed.
It does?
Yeah.
Very cool. The artwork is really nice and it fits in with the decor and Faith. It's right there. I guess trying to hide. I don't know. We have a
I'm
desk. Nice big mirrors.
Ooh, Mom, you didn't really even have to bring your thing.
I did. I have to plug it into something. I'm assuming this opens. Let's see.
Ooh, there's a little stopper. That's good.
All right. We got this unlocked. Okay, we're apparently facing the sun. Oh, this is nice and big out here. Oh, it's so quiet. I love this. We opted for, I guess, more of a courtyard view instead of, or garden view instead of noisy pool and stuff like that, because we prefer it just nice and quiet and peaceful. We've got 2 chairs and a table, but look how much room this is. This is bigger than like most apartments. So pretty though. All right, everyone, that is our room review and video for the beach club. Room number 2596. And what are we gonna go do now?
Pool.
Going to the pool. All right. Tell everybody bye.
Bye bye.